Do you have a vision board? And is there something that you put on your vision board over and over again and it just still don't manifest in your life? What if you subconsciously sabotage yourself? Let me tell you a story how I sabotage my big dream and how this beautiful RV manifested into my life soon after I understood my mistake. I always loved travel, and in my 20s I just dreamed about travel the world and just experience all these exciting adventures and meet new people and just see beautiful places all around the world. But then, after I finished the university, I got married, had children, found a job, we built a house. I just did what was expected from me, what I thought it like, okay, this is how it should be. So in my 40s, I got to a point in my life that I was so burned out from this job and from just the living the life that I was supposed to live, and I just was ready to leave everything, leave my husband and just leave our house and my job and everything and just go away. Just go away. I was done. At that moment of like deep crisis, my husband wrote me a letter. As I was reading that, I was like, oh my goodness, there were all my dreams I completely forgot about. And one of them was he promised me to take a vacation in a camper van, and I remembered like, oh, this was my dream. How I could forget. From that year, I put on my vision board like I want a camper van. But after first year, like nothing happened. Second year, nothing happened. I put that for the third time, and when we had a conversation with my friend and we were talking about like what did you put on your vision board and what do you, and I shared like, oh, I would really love to have our camper van, but it's a lot of money and maybe it's more reasonable just to rent a camper van for the 2 or 3 weeks. It's just a car and there are more important things in life, health and good relationships and things like this. And my friend was like, what are you talking about? It's not about the car, it's about experience, that feeling, it's about a freedom. And I was like, wow, really? I'm talking about it? Oh my goodness, yes, I can want a car. I realized that I was just sabotaging myself because I didn't believe that it's possible. I didn't believe it's right to want it. And as soon as I gave myself permission to desire this camper van, after maybe 2 months, guess what? We just bought our camper van because my husband changed his opinion about it's more reasonable to rent that. Unexpected money came to us. We found just ideal camper van for us just because I stopped sabotaging myself. So if you have something that you really desire but is still not coming to you, just try to journal about it. Do you believe it's possible for you? Do you believe that you deserve that? Do you believe that it's okay to want something like that? Just write down everything you just think about this situation, or put your hand to your heart and feel how do you feel about the idea that it's already here. Are you excited, or are you just it doesn't feel good because you just don't really believe that it's possible, or how do you feel about it? And if there is something that doesn't sound right for you, how you can change that?